In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an Outlook missing folder pane. If your list of folders has vanished from the left side of Outlook, don't worry. This is usually just a view setting that changed. I'll walk you through exactly where to click to bring it back, and I'll share a few quick tips so it stays visible the way you prefer. First, open Outlook. Once you're in your mailbox, look toward the top of the window for the ribbon, the row of tabs that controls how things look and behave. Select the View tab. This is the place where Outlook lets you customize the layout of your inbox, including the reading pane, message preview, and most importantly for today, the folder pane. If you don't immediately see the View tab, it may be because the ribbon is collapsed. Expanding it will reveal the full set of options. Inside the View tab, find and click on Folder Pane. This menu controls whether the pane is visible, minimized, or hidden. From that same menu, click on Folder List. Choosing folder list ensures you see the complete list of mail folders down the left side, your inbox, sent items, drafts, archive, any custom folders you've created, and additional mailboxes you've added. If you were previously set to a compact navigation or icon-only view, switching to folder list brings back the familiar full-height folder tree that many people rely on to organize mail. Next, still within the folder pane options, click on Show or Normal if available. Outlook labels can vary slightly depending on the version, but you're looking for the option that fully displays the pane instead of hiding or minimizing it. Selecting Show or Normal tells Outlook to keep the folder pane open, not just peaked or collapsed. This is the most common fix when the pane seems to have disappeared entirely. Finally, if you can see only a very narrow strip on the left edge, that means the pane is collapsed. Hover over that edge and click the small arrow icon that points to the right to expand it. You might see a temporary flyout when you hover. Clicking the arrow pins it open so it stays put. If needed, you can drag the border slightly to the right to give yourself a little more room. And that's it. By going to View, opening the Folder Pane menu, choosing Folder List, and setting it to Show or Normal, you restore the full folder view. If it was just collapsed, expanding it with the arrow brings it right back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Outlook layout back to normal.